Billing in this platform is built around one idea. Every dollar that moves through your practice, whether it's a single hydrofacial, a prepaid package, a recurring membership, or a gift card, runs through the same right doc pattern, the same preset reason menus, and the same activity log. The front desk only has to learn billing once, and that muscle memory carries them through every other action they'll ever take. If this is the kind of clarity you're trying to build into your own practice, reach out to our team. We'd love to hear what you're working on, and we'd love to build alongside you. Let's start in Invoices, the running record of every charge across the practice. We'll open Rachel Goldstein's hydrofacial so you can see what a single invoice carries. The recipient sits on top, every line item is listed below with the unit price and totals already worked out. The tax that applied to the visit lands underneath, and the activity log captures who touched the invoice and when. Everything tied to that invoice is consolidated on one panel. If the patient asks for a copy, we click Download PDF, and a clean, branded version generates in seconds. If she'd rather have it by email, we click Send Receipt instead. The To field is already locked to her email on file, which means a receipt physically cannot go out to the wrong inbox. Now, let's say a payment needs to come back. We open the Refund modal, which carries 5 ways to handle it. We can apply credit to the patient's account, refund a specific line item, refund the full balance, comp a service for goodwill, or capture any other situation in a free form note. Let's give Rachel a $50 credit because we waived the cancellation policy. We pick Cancellation Policy Waived from the preset menu, leave the email to client, toggle on, and click Apply Credit. The credit posts to her account in the same beat. Now let's check where that credit actually lives. We click Rachel's name in the row and jump straight to her profile. The account balance card on her overview tab shows the $50 credit in real time. Her credit history, her appointments, and her full billing tab all sit right there in context. Let's create a fresh invoice for Rachel using the same panel pattern. We click New Invoice, pick Rachel as the patient, pick Rachel Patel as the provider, add Botox Full Face as the first line and Juvederm Voluma as the second. We click Save and Send, and the invoice is built and sent in one beat. Now that invoices are settled, the next move is packages, because patients who buy a hydrofacial often want to prepay for several at a discount. Packages has 2 sides that work in tandem. The catalog is the master list of every package the practice offers, and the sold tab is the running record of every package an actual patient has bought. Let's start on the sold side. We click Jennifer Santos's Lip Lover 3-pack. From her panel, we can refund the package, extend the expiration if she had a vacation that ate her remaining time, or jump straight into Jennifer's full profile. Let's walk the refund. We click Refund and pick a reason from the same configurable preset menu the rest of billing uses. Let's also walk the Extend. We click Extend, and we have 3 flexible paths. 30 days, a custom number of days, or a specific calendar expiration if there's an accommodation in mind for that patient. Now let's head back to the catalog. We click Laser Smooth 6-pack to see the master template. The template carries the details, the pricing, the validity window, the included services, the activity, and the description that appears on the patient's receipt. We click Edit, and every field on the package is live editable. So the team never has to recreate a package just to tweak a price or swap a service. Let's sell a package live. We click Sell this package, search Jennifer Santos, set the price at $1,200, run it on a card, and complete. The new package lands in the Sold tab as active under her name. Jennifer's profile picks it up immediately, so any practitioner pulling her chart sees that she now owns this package. When the practice wants to launch a brand new package, we click New Package, and the creation flow opens as a right doc. We type Glow Up Quarterly Bundle, paste a short description, pick facials as the category, set the price at $640, and add the included services like Facial Deluxe and IPL. We save the validity, save it for sale, and confirm. The new bundle is created and ready to sell. That brings us into memberships, the recurring side of billing. Memberships keep loyal patients on monthly tiers with benefits that reset every cycle and predictable revenue every month. One thing to call out before clicking anything. A row in the memberships list represents a subscription, not a unique person. One patient can absolutely hold more than one membership at the same time. Sarah Mitchell, for example, holds both a Glow membership and a VIP aesthetic, so she shows up twice in this list, and that's exactly the right behavior. Memberships and packages are different products. A membership is a recurring monthly tier with benefits that reset every cycle. A package is a one-time prepaid bundle with a fixed redemption count and an expiration. There are two different lanes here, but both run through the same right doc pattern. Let's open Sarah Mitchell. Her right doc carries her member billing on top with the tier name and monthly price, the benefits list for her tier, the activity timeline, her upcoming visits, her recent visits, and her notes. We click Show Upcoming to expand the full forward calendar and Show Fewer to collapse it back. Let's pause Lisa Park's Bridal Builder for 1 month. We click Pause, pick 1 month, and confirm. The drawer stays open, a warning badge appears on her row, and a toast confirms the exact resume date. Lisa moves out of Active and into the Pause tab in the same beat. Redemptions are the everyday action the front desk takes most. Sarah Mitchell's Glow benefits all show as redeemed for the cycle, so let's switch to Priya Sharma. We click Redeem on her monthly signature facial and attach the redemption to her upcoming hydrofacial appointment on the 28th. The redemption posts to her activity, and the hydrofacial row in upcoming visits now carries a covered monthly signature facial label. So the practitioner walking into that visit knows what's already paid for. Some members come in mid-enrollment with payment landed, but the agreement still unsigned. Sarah Mitchell's row carries a waiting on signature pill with an inline resend link right next to it. We click resend link, and a fresh tokenized email goes out to her address on file. She signs from her phone, and the row clears the moment the signature lands. Cancel works on the same pattern as pause, just with a different ending. Let's open Lisa Park's paused row and click Cancel. We pick a reason from the configurable dropdown, like switching providers. Those cancellation reasons are tunable in settings under Billing, then Defaults. We click Continue. From here, we choose Immediate Cancellation, so benefits stop today, or we leave the toggle off and let the cycle finish on the last paid day. We confirm Cancel, and Lisa moves to the Canceled tab. Let's say Lisa wants to come back. We click Enroll Member, search Lisa Park, pick today as the start date, pick the Platinum tier because she's upgrading, and pick the next month start option for the first charge. We click Enroll, and the agreement chooser opens with 2 clean paths. We can hand the patient the device she's already standing in front of, or we can send her a tokenized signing link by email if she's not on site. Let's click Send to Patient via email. The toast confirms the link is sent, and the new Platinum row appears in Active with a waiting on signature pill until her signature lands. Let's switch her tier. We click Change Tier, and the picker shows Platinum as her current tier with downgrade and upgrade options pulled directly from the tier catalog. We pick a different tier and confirm, and the modal shows the price and benefit difference side by side, so the operator can explain the change before committing. The right doc also carries message, email, and view patient actions for quick communication and context. The last piece of billing is gift cards. This is how the practice sells and tracks prepaid balance, both for repeat patients and for cards going out as gifts to brand new ones. Let's open Jennifer Santos's gift card. The panel carries the card details on top, the transaction history below, and the most recent email that went to her about this card. Let's click Lisa Park's gift card next. From her panel, we can mark the card as lost if she calls in saying it's gone, flag it as awaiting delivery if it's still in transit, or click resend email to push the original delivery message out again. Let's open the refunded card so you can see how a return looks. The reason on this one is wrong recipient email, and the panel shows the partial use Jennifer Santos got out of it before the refund posted. Even after a refund, mark as lost, add funds, void card, and recent email all stay available from the same panel. Let's issue a brand new card. We click Issue Gift Card, pick the existing patient mode, search Natalie Brooks, set the amount at $500, and click Issue. The toast confirms the card is created, and the delivery email is on its way to her. Sometimes a patient walks in with a card in hand and wants to know what's left. We click Lookup Balance, type the card code, and the matching card surfaces with the current status and balance in one shot. Across invoices, packages, memberships, and gift cards, the same patterns repeat. The same right doc layout, the same preset reason menus, the same activity logs, the same patient picker. The front desk learns billing once and uses the same muscle memory everywhere. If any of this resonates with how you'd want billing to work in your own practice, reach out to our team. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to build for you.